Yo, what's up, y'all? DMVComputerman. Look, now you can store your Maryland driver's license in your phone if you got an iPhone. It's a part of the new Apple Pay digital wallet feature. We're gonna talk about it in this video. Let's go. All right, so check it out, right? I've only been an iPhone user now for a couple years, but one of the things that I liked about these phones when I first started using them was the Apple Pay feature. One of my coworkers showed me this feature. We was out one day going to get some lunch, and he was like, you know, you could just pay from your phone. And I was like, for real? He's like, yeah. So then I set it up, and I've been using it ever since. And I thought it was really convenient because when I go out, I like to travel lean. You know what I'm saying? I like to be light, not to have a whole bunch of stuff bulking and bulging out of my pockets. So that Apple Pay feature allowed me to leave my wallet in certain places and I can just move around, you know what I'm saying, a lot lighter and leaner, you know what I'm saying? So I fell in love with that feature, but the one thing that I noticed was I still had to carry my wallet around. And the reason why is because I had a driver's license in it. You know what I'm saying? I have a concealed carry license in it. I had certain documentation that I had to carry around, and I cannot be without it or else I might get in trouble. So now they have allowed us to put our driver's licenses in there. I've used this thing for a lot of different things. When I travel, my airplane tickets can be stored here. I can scan different things like that. When I go to a concert, tickets could go right in this wallet. So now that I can put my ID in the wallet, I can actually consider leaving my wallet at home, my actual physical wallet. So that's an amazing thing. And I posted about it on my Instagram page, right? And I just want to talk about some of the comments because I knew it was going to be some pushback. Everybody's not going to like the feature. Not too many people are so trustworthy of apps and technology, and they don't want to have too much information stored in that data center, right? So, and I understand that. So I wanted to see what the people had to say. I'm going to read some of the comments, right? So on my Instagram page, we got Dreaded DB. That's my boy Danny. He was like, nah, it's too easy to access these phones using exploit open source software. Once Apple patches it up, this digital ID will take over. So basically he's saying, you know what I'm saying, right now might not be the time to go all in because Apple might have some loose ends that they need to tie up to make it 100% safe. But he feels like it's definitely gonna be the new wave of the future. So I'm gonna read another comment. We got the sweetest tea, my homegirl Teray, right? She put Apple security is top notch for iPhones. You can remotely erase your phone if it's lost or stolen, and if it's a major concern, but I'm not worried about it. And I kind of feel the same way she feels about it. It's like Apple has tied up enough loose ends to where we can protect ourselves. The only thing that I could possibly think is that if you're a badass hacker, you can possibly clone information just doing peer-to-peer, or if the Bluetooth's on, or if what's it called? Somebody help me out. What's it called? No, we can leave this in the video. The shit when we share.
AirDrop.
AirDrop. Stuff like that might make you vulnerable. You never know, but like I said, you can, if the phone is lost or stolen, that's probably the higher chance of you being more concerned than an actual hacker. You coming across them and they able to get in distance where they can AirDrop or Bluetooth and clone or steal information off your phone that way. And I'm gonna read y'all one more comment. Alicia Queen Real Estate. She says, I like it as well. Just like your phone can get stolen, so can your wallet get stolen. So I don't see this as more of a risk, and it makes sense. You know what I'm saying? So I like that feature, y'all. It's more pros than cons in my opinion. So y'all leave a comment in the video, in the comment section. I want to know what you guys think about this new feature. It's only available in Maryland and another state so far, but I'm pretty sure other people are gonna be picking up on this quite soon. So leave a comment, leave a like, share this with other people. Let me know what y'all think. This your boy DMVComputerman. Thanks for watching the video.